Yes,
So students need to understand what is actually a complex number first, the introduction and understanding of complex number. So everyone needs to understand that a complex number is basically represented as an imaginary root. Okay, a complex number is an imaginary root. Everyone getting it? So a complex number, you can read the notes later as well. Just for understanding purpose, your notes will write it down. A complex number is denoted by this I, and we call this as square root of -1. Understanding, everyone? A complex number is basically called square root of -1. Everyone there? Got it?
yes, sir.
Clear? The first thing is this, okay? Now, why this complex number comes in? So I would want everyone to just recall a bit from the P1 or your basics IGCSE concepts, what we already know. We know about the concept of no real roots, right? I'm giving you an introduction, the history background as well. So everyone knows about the no real roots, right? Everyone knows no
Yes,
real
sir.
roots. How does the no real roots was coming? If you remember from the P1, that no real roots in the quadratics, it was basically a quadratic question. Just give me 1 minute. Yes. So what I was saying, that you have a quadratic equation, right? Ax squared plus bx plus c. Getting it, students? Right? Remember, we have a
Yes.
quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c. When you solve this, you will get two solutions. So two roots you might get, right? Two roots, completely distinct roots, real and distinct roots. There might be one root coming that is called a repeated root, right? The tangent to the curve repeated root. But there is also the possibility of no real roots, no solutions coming. And that was the reason of why. Because of the square root b square minus 4ac being less than 0, right? Remembering it? Getting it, everyone? Is everyone getting the history background?
Yes,
That
sir.
when you solve a quadratic
Yeah.
equation, you have different types of solutions coming. But we have learned as well in P1 that it is possible to have no real roots as well. And the complex number is derived from that. When you have the no real roots answer for the quadratic, you say that we can solve the question. Previously, you don't have to solve it, but now you will solve the question by saying that it is basically a complex number. It might give the complex solutions. Okay, everyone getting it? It will give the complex solutions. Is everyone clear? Is everyone following? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Moshra, clear? Okay. So everyone needs to understand, for this thing, the graph changes. Okay. Now, previously we used to have what x-axis here, right? Comes up. Previously we have used to have sir x-axis and y-axis here. For this chapter, what happens? The x-axis becomes the real root. Real, if you can see the word here, follow carefully. These are the terminologies that you need to know. Real, that is real part of the complex number. Okay, everyone, on the x-axis, we have the real part of the complex number. I'll explain what is z. Z is basically that complex number. And im is the imaginary part of the complex number, which will be taken by y, okay? Students need to understand that complex number is denoted by z, like this. You can write this as well, or z as well. So z is equals to a plus bi, okay? Everyone with me following? Very important, okay? Z is equals to a plus bi, where a is the real number and b is the imaginary number. Everyone getting it clear? Or where a is the x-axis value and b is the y-axis value. Let me know, everyone got this?
Yes, sir.
Usually on a basic graph, we have real part as x-axis and y is imaginary, okay? Now we will have the complex numbers a plus bi. Vashra, with there following? Hamza, clear? So we got z is equals to a plus bi. Understood? No problem. You guys got it clear?
Yes.
जी सर जी सर
Everyone clear? Okay. Anyone have any questions from the first page? Let me know. Make sure just read the other things. It's all the same. Just will help you. There's an example 3 plus 4i. There's a complex number. Complex number have both a real part and an imaginary part. For example, 3 plus 4i. Because this topic is completely new, that's why I didn't send the top. That's why I didn't send the note earlier. So here we go. On the x-axis, you will have 3. On the y-axis, you will have, let's say, 4 here. So the point, the complex number is this. Z is equals to 3 plus 4i. On x-axis, you will have 3. On y-axis, you will have 4. So 3 comma 4, that is 3 plus 4i. Everyone getting it? Guys, bear with me. That's how
जी
you
सर
denote it, okay? Is everyone clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, let's have a look at it, what I'm trying to explain you. Previously, from your O levels, IGCSE, AS level, okay, there's a basic example, okay. We'll not spend much time on it because this is not they are going to test, okay. Also, in today's lecture, we are not going to do topical past papers, but at least we'll get an idea about it. And in next class, we'll do as many topical past papers as possible for complex numbers, okay. Getting it? In 3 to 4 classes, I will finish this chapter, okay. Understanding should be here that, sir, if you have to solve this question, that is x squared minus 9, what I'm trying to understand here, previously you used to write no real roots, right? Everyone getting it? Is everyone following? How will you solve this? We used to do this, sir. You put the square root on both of it and square root on this, not possible, right? If anyone remembers from their O levels or basically all the maths that we have solved in P1 in previous years, previously we don't used to go forward than this, right? We used to write that, so it will be not possible to solve, but now that is not the case, okay? Everyone with me following? Clear, guys? How you can solve this? Is everyone following? Guys getting it?
Yes,
now you
sir.
can give the answer. If you can see the green color, you can give the answer in the complex numbers form as in the part of A and B. That's what they're trying to tell us and explain, that if you have x square is equals to minus 9, understand that x square minus 9 means that you can put the square root on it, right? You can put the square root on it. Okay, understanding, students? And do what?
Yes, sir.
In simple way, you manipulate this, okay? You're going to manipulate it. Follow that minus 9 can be written as minus 1 times 9, okay, right? Am I correct? Can we write
Yes.
minus 9 as minus 1 times 9? Everyone with me? Mubashra following?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So we got, sir, x is equals to square root minus 1 times 9, Huzaifa. It will be simple, sir. This will be minus 1 separate. This will be 9 separate. You can do separate. You already know what is the square root of 9, right, Akbar? Muminur got it? Square root of 9 is, sir, 3. And then square root of the 9 is, sir, 3. And what is square root minus 1? We just discussed that it will be plus, right? I. Square root of minus 1 is what? I, right? And then
Yes, sir.
because you put the square root, so square root also always means square root means plus minus. That's how you got the answer, that plus minus 3i is the answer. Understood? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
They
Yes,
have
sir.
also done it, but I have done it as well, so that everyone understands that now last couple of years you were not able to solve further after this, but because of the complex number availability, it basically means that the mathematician has facilitated us that you can give your answer of no real roots in complex number form. And this whole chapter will be about giving answers in complex number form and drawing diagrams that we will be doing as well, okay, shortly. Let me know if this is clear. I'll have to remove this because you already have the solution. You can already revise from this working, okay? Everyone got it quickly? Guys understood? Let me know.
Ji, sir.
Okay, that's how you do it, okay? That you separate the two of them. You say that minus 1 square root is I and square root of 9, and that's how we got it, okay? Can I remove this? Got it, everyone? Quickly, let me know. Hamza, got it? Sure? Come on, we have to speed up now. Everyone
Yes.
got this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'll quickly give everyone a couple of seconds. Just quickly go through part B, exactly same thing, okay? Just quickly go through part B, everyone, couple of seconds, so that you get it, what is basically I and how we are doing that, okay? Let me know. If any trouble is there, do let me know, okay? Exactly same way, it's just the question is being expanded, okay? Both of them are easy level questions. Everyone clear on the page? No problem, right?
Clear.
Sir, it's clear.
Washra got it? How they are solving it? Clear, everyone?
Yep.
No doubts? Make sure to have a look at it, clear as well, okay? Next thing, what we need to understand, they will also ask you simple steps of multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So that is what you need to do, okay? So how do I add and subtract complex numbers? How do I multiply the complex number? These notes are very good. So make sure to revise them from here and all the chapters will be clear, okay? So you see, it's very simple. How will you add and subtract the complex numbers? You will take basically the real numbers, you will add the real numbers, and you will subtract the real numbers. I'm sure there must be a question here on solving this. Yeah, simplifying an expression. Follow this one, okay? This is one complex number. This is the other complex number, right, students? You have to simplify the expression. So the real part will be added together and the complex part, the imaginary part will be added. Everyone got this, right? make sure wherever I is written, that is basically an imaginary part. Wherever is only the number is basically what? A real part. Okay, everyone with me following? Clear, guys? Understood?
Yes.
Is everyone following? So here we go. Let's quickly do this. You can see 2 8s are 16 and 5 3s are 15. 16 and minus 15 is coming here. Then 2 times minus 6i, we can see minus 12i clearly. Minus 5 times 4, minus 20, minus 5 times 4 will become minus 20i, okay? So all just remember, it's very basic. Shouldn't waste time on this. Real minus real. This can be tested, okay? Real minus real and imaginary minus imaginary. So 16 minus 15 is 1, sir. Simplify, the green color is the answer. Everyone with me? 16 minus 1, 15 was 1, sir. And minus 12i minus 20i was minus 32i. So this is the answer for the first part. Everyone got this? Let me know, guys. Clear? Is everyone with me following? That's how you add and subtract in complex numbers. Everyone got it? Clear? No problem.
Clear, sir.
Any questions? Musha, Josefa, any questions? Mominur, clear? Akbar,
Yes,
clear?
sir, it's clear.
Any questions, anyone? Please ask. Let me know. Guys, clear? Okay. So let's have a look at how will you do the multiplication as well. Okay. How do you multiply the complex numbers? Okay, everyone there? How do you multiply addition and subtraction should be clear. How do you multiply? That's what we're going to discuss now. Everyone there? So you have to multiply Z1, the complex number Z1 and the complex number Z2. That is 3 plus 4i multiply by 6 plus 7i. Everyone there? Getting it, guys? Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Guys, can I get response? Mubashir, can I get response from you? Are you following? There, got it. Josefa,
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Hamza, got it. Okay. So
Haan
it's
ji,
very
sir, clear.
simple. This one, let me do it. Okay. Follow here. Okay. Because multiplication is important to understand. Z1 is 3 plus 4i and Z2 is 6 plus 7i. Okay. Please understand, the examiner will not test you on this, but it can. This concept will come in with some other parts included. Okay. Everyone getting it? So you start multiplying. Okay, students, everyone with me? 3 times 6 is 18, right? 3 times 7i will be 21i, right? Everyone getting it? 4 times 6i, 24i, and 4 sevens is 28, but I and I will become I squared. Let me know if anyone have doubt in this. First step would be this thing. First step should be this thing always. Is everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is everyone got the first step? Basic multiplication, basic. Then 18, keeping 18 as it is, sir. Keeping 18 as it is. 24 plus 21i will be 65i, right? 21 plus 24i will be 65i. Is everyone with me following? 21 plus
Yes, sir.
24i will 65i. And am I correct or not? Let me know if any calculation mistake I have done, students. Please do let me know, okay? Must be, I think, 6
It's
plus
45.
7,
It's 45. It's
45.
45.
24 plus
24.
21, right? 45. Sorry, my bad. Okay. Apologies. Got it. Still do check the previous, because I'm focusing on explaining the concept. So might be a calculation mistake is possible. That's why I'm saying do check the calculator. 3 6 is 18, 21, 4 6 is 24, 4 7 is, yeah. Got it. So this is more simplified now. Everyone with me following? Guys there? Okay. Hello, everyone. Following up till now? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mubashir, got this? No questions? Hamza? Okay, now understand another concept, okay? Always remember, very important. I will have to include this as well, okay? How do I deal with the higher powers? Addition and subtraction, done. Not a problem, sir. Multiplication we are doing currently, but it involves how do I deal with the higher powers? And if you are giving SAT examination as well anytime soon, complex number is a part of it, okay? I'll just let you know now, okay? Just for your future purpose help, if you are going to give aptitude test preparation or for SAT preparation for any universities abroad, local, if you are giving SAT, complex number is a part of it, but only this part only, okay? Not the complete question solving, okay? What I'm trying to say is, like, not this thing, okay? This thing doesn't come, the shading and the coloring, the diagram drawing. That will only this basic understanding of the complex number is needed in the SAT examination, okay? Everyone knows about SAT, right? Guys, they with me following? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now understand. Follow carefully. I the power of 1 is basically definitely this thing, minus 1 square root. Everyone getting it clear? Is everyone with me? Now,
Yes, sir.
everyone needs to understand what will be I square. And because why I'm focusing a lot, this is the new learning, because I square is a very important part of your workings, okay? So it will be I square will be I multiply by I, right, students? I square will be I multiply by I, right? Am I correct? So it will be like -1 square root multiply by -1 square root. Understanding, students? So when we have -1 square root multiply -1 square root, we will get -1 only, okay? Do check out in the calculator, or you can do it with the basics of indices and surds. -1 multiply -1 will be -1, okay? In the square root form. Getting it, everyone clear? Guys, got it?
Sir.
Hello? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then everyone needs to understand how do you get I cube. So I power 1 is simple. I power square is this. I cube will be I square multiply by I. Okay, Hamza, clear? So I square you already have, that is -1 I square, and you have this one as well, that is square root of -1, that is the I1. Everyone with me following? So what you can do, you can write this as, this is sir I and this is -1, so I cube is minus I. Everyone getting it? Clear, guys? I cube is minus I. Everyone with me? Got this clear? No problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I power 4 will be I square multiply by I square. So eventually it will be -1 multiply by -1, and this will become +1. So I power 4 is 1. Everyone getting it, guys? Clear? Understood? Washra, got it? So please make sure, please make the copy of the red thing right now in your notebook. And just remember, you only need to know I power 1, I power square, I power cube, and I power 4. Is everyone with me? Getting it clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone needs to know only this thing, okay? Please quickly copy this. And then I will tell you why I have done this red part, why it is important. Because you can, based on these four, you can find out any higher power of I power. Okay, everyone with me? Based on these four, you can find out any high power of I that I'm going to explain. Okay, everyone quickly copy this down. Quickly. Got it, guys? Understood? Following, sure, no problem. So, come on, quick, done. Or to take a screenshot. Okay, I'll send these notes. Okay, take a screenshot. We need to move forward. Is everyone following? Guys,
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Hello. Okay. The next thing is coming back to the question to complete this. So everyone should know now that, sir, everyone there, Mubashira got it? Hamza clear? Josefa? So 18 plus
clear.
45i. And this will be, sir, I square will be what? Anyone? Akbar? I square will be, sir, -1. So here we go. 18 minus 28 is -10 plus 45i. -10 plus 45i is the answer. Because 28 minus 1 is -28. 18 -28 is -10. -10 plus 45i is the answer, which is matching as well. And that is how you will give the answer in the real complex number form. Everyone with me? Got this clear? Understood? Guys following? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Any questions? Any doubts over sure? Anyone else? Any doubts? Let me know now. Anyone? Got
No,
this?
sir.
So that's
Yeah.
why I shifted from this question to explanation of this, because I wanted you to know that I power square is -1. It is important to remove the I square. Okay, everyone understood? Clear on this? Now, guys, can you move forward? Clear? This is very basic. We need to move forward. Okay, this is basic understanding. Clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Hamza got it. Okay, now let's why I have done this. What's the purpose of doing this? So follow this one carefully. Follow. Tell me any power. Hamza, tell me any power of I.
5.
5, so it's very simple now. Tell me huge number, huge power. Something
28.
big number. 38, okay. I power 38, okay. Everyone with me? Following?
Yes, sir.
I power 38, okay. So any student have given me a value I power 38, okay. So first tell me it's an even number or odd number.
Even.
38 is an even number or odd number?
Even.
Even number. So even number means either the answer will be whatever the answer is of I square, or either the answer will be whatever the answer is of I power 4. Getting it, everyone? Is everyone clear? When you have an even number, the answer will be either I power square and either I power 4. Everyone got this clear? Understood? Following?
Yes, sir.
Getting it? So first step is you will identify whether it's a even number and an odd number. Everyone getting it? First step will be what? You will identify whether it's an even number or odd number. Getting it? Even number. So it's very simple. Either I square is the answer or I power 4 is the answer. So let me know now. Next question. Is 38 divisible by 4? Is 38 divisible by 4 or not? What I mean to say, is 38 a multiple of 4 or not?
No, sir.
No, because in 4 times table, 4 nines is 36 and 4 tens is 40, right? So 38 is not coming, which means, sir, this is I power 4 will be rejected because it is not a multiple of 4. It is not a multiple of 4. So the answer of I38 will be exactly -1, which is the answer of I power square. Everyone getting it clear, guys? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Is everyone there with me getting it clear? ठीक है जी? Hello? That's how you will judge. Anyone else wants to give any value? Hello? Mubashir got it? Muminur? Akbar? Come on, anyone else? Mubashir, any value? Anyone wants to give a value? Muminur? The one who already give, don't give. Okay, you don't give now. Okay. Anyone else? Any huge number greater than 38 number? Maybe in 3 digits. Maybe in 3 digits you can try as well. That's also not a problem. Yep, guys, come on. 107. What do you say? Nobody is giving, so I'll take it myself. 107, I power 107. Everyone getting it clear, guys? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Come on, guys, I need response. We need to do forward. Okay, this is just basic understanding. Can be tested or cannot be tested just for understanding, but I'm teaching this. Okay. Let me know everyone got this. Hamza clear? I
Ye-
power 107 is will be what? Okay, it's an odd number. So either I power 1 is the answer or I power 3 is the answer. Getting it? Hamza, clear? Is everyone with me following? Momin or
Yes.
clear, Akbar? I power 107 is an odd number. So either I minus I is the answer or I is the answer, right? I is the answer or minus I is the answer. So how will you judge? In this case, you need to understand it's a bit tricky. You have to find out the even number. Okay. So what you are planning to do, whether you will have to take one above or one below. So which one you want to take, 106 or 108? You can take both of them. 106 or 108, which one you want to take? 106 is even number, 106. 108 is also an even number. Which one you want to take? Let's say if the student is assuming 108, okay? Guys, getting it? If you are assuming 108, is everyone with me? So you have to see the rule remains the same. You have to see that the even number that you have selected, is it being divisible by 4 or not? So if I see 108 divided by 4, yes. 108 divided by 4 is giving 27, which means 108 is a multiple of 4. So if you have to give the answer of 108, it would be 1. So what about the answer of 1 before that? That is I power 107. It will be minus I. Everyone getting it? That's how you will judge. Is everyone clear? What I'm
Yes, sir.
trying to tell you, students, is basically the pattern follows, okay? From number
So
1,
106 is going to be -1.
exactly,
Right.
excellent.
Okay.
Exactly. This pattern will follow 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting it? 1, 2, 3, 4 again. Is everyone getting it? I1, I2, I3, I4, I power 5, I power 6, I power 7, I power. That's what they're explaining. I power 5 is same as I power 1. I power 6 is same as the I power square. I power 6 and I power square will be same because 6 is not the multiple of 4. 6 ko we can't divide by 4, students, right? So 6 is only an even number, that is a multiple of 2. So multiple of 2 means only -1. Hope everyone is clear. I'm not if you're not responding, then my energy will be slow. Guys, I need response. Hello, everyone. Mominor.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Got
sir.
it, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's
Is
clear.
everyone getting it?
Yes,
Try
sir.
to absorb this, okay? Try to absorb this. Do a couple of examples on your own and understand what I've done, okay? Giving you 1 minute to understand this, everyone, okay? Then I have to
Yes,
move
sir.
forward, okay? This is very simple. This is not what they will test you. It's a P3 paper. They will test you something more tricky. Come on, quickly, you've done this. Yes, guys, everyone clear? Got this? Clear? No problem?
No problem, sir.
Vashra got it? Hamza, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, what we have is basically to understand that what about the complex conjugation and the division, right? Everyone there with me following? What is complex conjugate and division? Okay, this is important, okay? Because division आएगा तो which means कि rationalize करना होगा. And similarly, complex conjugate क्या होता है, that we'll have to understand. Okay, everyone there with me following, guys? Clear? There is a
Yes, sir.
perfect example as well given to us. Okay, everyone with me following, right? Not a problem. Sure. Okay. So what students need to understand, is everyone there with me?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? Complex conjugation and division. So what is a complex conjugate? For a given complex number, follow very carefully. If you have a complex number that is z is equals to a plus bi, okay? So the conjugate will be, that is the z star. Complex conjugate is denoted by z star. It will be a minus bi. Everyone got it? A minus bi. So if it is a minus bi, the complex conjugate will be a plus bi. And a plus bi and a minus bi are the conjugate, okay? Is everyone getting it? Let me give an example
sir.
as well. That is, if it is 6 plus 5i, the complex conjugate will be the just the opposite sign of it, 6 minus 5i. Is everyone there with me? Got it? Clear, guys? Hello? Following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, another important understanding, how do you add and subtract these? So make sure you can derive this, okay? I'm giving you this task, okay? If you have to add the original one with the conjugate one, so what you will get 2a, okay? You will get 2a only, 2 times the real number only. If you have to do a subtraction between them, you will get 2bi. They are telling the reciprocal, they are telling the example how it is proving as well, how it is solving. Everyone with me? And you have to multiply, you will get multiplication, we are getting a square plus b square. Everyone getting it clear? Guys, got it clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood? No problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Some examples are given as well that you can go through and understand. Okay. Everyone clear? Can you move forward? Not a big issue, right? Just take any example and you will be able to get that y, when you add them, the conjugate and the original one, you will get 2a, you will get 2bi. Like they're basically telling us to shortcuts, okay? Shortcuts to just quickly do addition, subtraction, and multiplication for z and the z conjugate. Is everyone clear? Can I move forward? Now, the important thing is, guys with me following? Hello. The important thing is, up till now, we have only discussed addition, subtraction. Up till now, sir, we discussed addition, subtraction, and multiplication, right? What about the division? The division was a separate giving because it is basically the process that you have studied in GCSE. It is to rationalize the denominator. You will have to, if anyone have done rationalizing, very good. If you haven't done, I will explain you how to rationalize. But in the complex numbers, you will have to rationalize as well. Everyone with me following? Guys there? This is the
Yes.
formula of rationalizing. Don't have to worry about the formula. I will explain with an example. So this example is already there, so I'm not solving this one. Let me take an example from one of my worksheets. Okay, everyone there with me following? Clear, guys? Guys there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the complex number folder. There are no recordings in it because I didn't have time to make any of them. So that's why we are doing a live lecture on this. Notes are this that we are doing already. I will share that, okay? And past papers are there, topical past papers that we are going to do as well, okay? Let's read document one if we have this is the document one, not a past paper, just for simple practice of yours. Everyone with me following, guys? If you want to see how do you multiply, get the division, subtraction, you can do this document number one. Okay, answers are below as well. And maybe very good. I've solved as well. Excellent. Guys, if you're following, everything is there for you. You have to just start practicing and get the grade. Okay, everyone with me following? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Vashra, got it, everyone? What I'm
Yes,
trying to say, if I bring it this one as well, hold on. Give me 1 minute. It's already there as well. Here you go. Follow, understand this very carefully, students. These are 24 questions. You don't have to do all of them. Nobody have to practice this. If you think you are not good at it, then you do it only. You need to understand that there are already a couple of questions already solved for it. Okay, so like I have already solved for you question number 23. Question number 23 is solved. Okay, everyone there? So you can take help from this. Question number 24 is solved. Question number 10, 6 is solved. Everyone with me getting it, guys? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Guys following? Okay. But still, I'll do one live question so that everyone understands. Okay. So which one is done for rationalizing? 23, 24 is done. So I'll take someone 20. I'll do 22. Okay. Everyone with me. I'll do 22 now. Okay. Guys following? Hello, everyone. Mubashra got it. Hamza clear?
जी.
Okay. So I'm doing 22 here. 23, 24 are already available, 6 and 10. So make sure first attempt them and check your answers. Final answers you can check from here as well. Okay. Final answers as well. Is everyone there? Akbar, Momin, or clear? Guys, you need to do it by today or tomorrow, because if you need, when we move forward in this should be already clear. Okay. In this chapter, everyone got it? So we have 1 minus 4i divided by what? 1 minus 4i is going to be divided by 2 plus 4i. Okay. This is the question number 22. Is everyone there with me? 2 plus 4i. Guys, got it clear? So now
Yes.
how we have to rationalize? Is everyone there? I need to explain one more concept. Come on, quickly. I need to explain apart from this one more concept, very important to meet the target. Okay. Is everyone there quickly so that I can explain? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I can only hear one person response. There are more people. Oh, sure, I got it. Hello. There, no problem.
Yes.
Okay,
No
so 1
problem.
minus 4i divided by 2 plus 4i. Always remember, when you have to divide the two complex number, this is complex number 1. You can say complex number 1, Z1 divided by Z2. Students need to understand that the denominator will have to be rationalized. So you will have to multiply this with 2 minus 4i. And if you are multiplying with over there, so you have to divide it by the denominator as well, 2 minus 4i. Understood? Everyone got this clear? Basically, it's the basic concept that we have done in P1 as well and in other parts as well. You cannot have the square root in the denominator. Students, you cannot have the square root in the denominator. And because I is the square root, I is equals to square root of minus 1. So that is why this whole concept comes from mathematician, that we need to understand that you will have to rationalize it, because in the denominator, you cannot have I. Everyone with me got it clear, guys? So it's very simple,
sir.
sir. Just have to multiply 1 plus 4i with 2 minus 4i. This is always tested, okay? This is always tested. That's why these are free marks, okay, Hamza? Everyone, Josefa, clear? This is free marks. This chapter is not difficult. Just have to practice and you can easily get, there is nothing more that will come in this chapter. Like, it is limited. What I'm trying to say is, if you compare this chapter with differentiation, integration, trigonometry, this is limited chapter. Limited chapter means that only 4 or 5 concepts. If you already know 4 or 5 concepts, nothing else will come. Nothing else will come. Nothing more tricky will come. But in integration, differentiation, we can have a lot of difficulties. Okay. Just hold on. The adhan
Sir,
is
the
going on.
sign is
Sign change hota hai, right? Just hold on. Yes, let's continue. Yes, what was the question? Any questions, guys? Do ask. Akbar, you were asking that the sign changes, okay, in rationalizing the sign changes. That's why I don't rely on this, because if you see, it's the same thing, a plus bi divided by c plus di. So you will have to, this thing you will have to write down, and c minus di you'll have to multiply. Okay, whatever is in denominator, just change the sign of that. Okay, understood? Akbar, you were saying
Yes, sir.
about this or something else?
Sir, I think वो different question था.
सॉरी, रिपीट करो. नहीं, 2 plus 4i और 1 minus 4i क्वेश्चन यही तो है. सही तो क्वेश्चन कॉपी करे. I'm not getting आप what are you saying? Let me know again.
Sir,
आपका
1 minus 4i होगा. Like
oh अच्छा
उसकी
अच्छा
sign.
ओके ओके got it ठीक है. Thank you for pointing out. सही है, completely correct. ठीक है जी. Yeah, the clear हो गया. Everyone got it? I'm solving now. Okay. So what we have 1 2s will become 2, and minus 1 into minus 4i will become minus 4i, minus 4i into 2 will become minus 8i. And understand, minus 4i into minus 4i will become what, students? 4 the 16i square. Everyone, any doubt? Minus minus becomes plus. 4 times 4 becomes 16. I times I becomes I square. Everyone should be clear with calculation, guys. Got it? Everyone, hello, understood?
Yes,
Come on,
sir.
guys, quick. Please understand, always remember, just take some notes, my notes, like whenever you are rationalizing in the denominator, you will have a plus bi minus a times of minus bi. Follow carefully. In the denominator, sir, you will always have a plus bi minus times of a minus bi. So always remember, it is a plus b times a minus b. It will be a square minus b square. Is everyone getting it? Just like this one they were saying here. Okay. In the denominator, you will always have a plus b into a minus b. You will always have a square plus b square. Is everyone getting? In the denominator, when you multiply a plus bi minus a times it, and it's nothing new. It's just that concept of algebraic identities from IGCSE. A plus b multiplied by a minus b is what? A square minus b square, right? Is everyone getting it clear?
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
following?
जी
So
सर.
that's what you need to understand here. Okay, I will be getting that a will be 2 square and 4i will be the value of b. Okay, so understand here. Let me write it down first if you are revising later, and if you don't get it, so you can understand clearly. A is 2 and b is 4i. Okay, so a square minus the b square. Okay, now just simplify and solve. Okay, students make a lot of mistake in simplifying, to make sure simplify further. Okay, minus 4 minus 8 is minus 12. 16i square will become what, Akbar? I square. Instead of I square, you will have minus 1 written, right, students? Bashra, clear? Huzafa, clear? Hamza, clear?
जी
2
सर,
square will be
clear.
4. And this will be 4 square is 16, 16i square. So 4 minus 16i square, okay? Again, this I square, whenever you get I square, you have to change it, okay? So 16 times minus 1 is minus 16. Minus 16, 2 minus 16 is, I think, minus 14. So I got minus 14 times minus 12i divided by 4 times of, make sure signs will change, okay? 4 minus 16 times of minus 1. I think I'm going to get 20 now, okay? So make sure you do it separate. Minus 14 divided by 20 and minus 12 divided by 20i. So simplify it as much as possible, students. So here we go, sir. 14 divided by 20, sir, is minus 7 over 10, and minus 2 6 are 12, 2 10s are 20, so minus 6 over 10 I. Okay, understood? Clear? So here we go.
Yes, sir.
This is done. Alhamdulillah. Hope everyone got the rationalizing. Okay, everyone clear on rationalizing? How to rationalize? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Guys, clear? No problem? Sure.
Yes, sir.
Don't have to copy. I'll give the access to it. So make sure just revisit and redo it. Okay, everyone got this clear? No problem, right? Even, and this, let's check the answer as well. Now 22 minus 7 over 10 minus 6 over 10i. Okay, you can write separate and together as well. Okay, you can write separate and together as well. This answer is correct. Everyone with me following? It's better to write separate. Why, sir? Everyone getting it? It's better to write separate. The reason, because this is the real part and this is the imaginary part. Okay, when you have to draw later on, you will understand better then. Is everyone clear? Everyone got this? So make sure, try as many questions you want to do. And if you struggle anywhere, I'm available. Just send me a text. I'll help you out with that. Okay. With this, I remember, Akbar, I will solve your question as well. Okay. Hello, Akbar, got it? Clear, everyone?
Ji, ji.
Can you quickly move forward, guys? Need to do another thing. Everyone got it? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next we have is basically this example. Make sure you have to read it on your own. Then we have the square root. This is almost testing in the recent parts a lot of time in the paper. This is what they are going to definitely test. They will test you denominator rationalizing as well, the division as well. But this is more common than that. Okay, everyone getting it clear? Hamza got it? So how do you find the square root of a complex number? This is our last learning, most probably for today. Okay, everyone with me? Following? Yeah, square root of the complex number of the, everyone with me getting it right? So we'll have to do square. How do you find the square root of a complex number? Got it, everyone? Clear? How do you find the square root of a complex number? Guys, following with me? Clear? Any question? Guys, is everyone there? Following?
Yes, sir.
Hello, can I move forward? Okay. So
Yes,
these
sir.
are the steps. How do you do it? These are the steps and written in English notes. Okay. These are the steps. You should definitely you should definitely try to read this. Okay. But I'll try to do it with an example. Okay. Everyone with me? Got it? Clear? So these the square roots we are going to find with an example. Another example is given here. Make sure you read this example. Everyone with me? Try to do that. Try to do this example as well. Getting it clear? Following, guys? Hello? Guys there? Hello? Understanding, everyone? Not getting it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me explain you how do we find the square root of it. Okay. So that's what I'm going to do now. Square root questions. Okay. And sorry. So do I have a square root question? All of these examples are like that. Find a quadratic. Hold on. Let's look at this here. Complex numbers. Okay. Everyone with me following? Guys there, hello everyone. Following, right?
Yes, sir.
Look, I'm giving examples now here. How do you do it without using a calculator? 2018, the question was express the complex number in the form of, which means for 2 marks, they have asked you what, Hamza? How to rationalize, right? Getting it? Then they have R cos something that is later we'll understand. Okay, then sketching part as well. So that's how they will be testing you. Everyone with me following, right? Guys with me, everyone? What I'm trying to get is basically a question related to the square root of it, okay? Just hold on. We're finding it soon. And you have to find the square root. Yep, find the 2 square roots. I think this is not done completely right. Let's do this one. Okay, everyone. It's exactly the question for 5 marks. Definitely they will ask you for 5 marks, a past paper question. You make sure you go through the example as well. Everyone getting it? The complex number u is given by u is equals to 8 minus 15. Everyone with me? Following?
Yes, sir.
And the complex number u is given by u is equals to 8 minus 15. Show all necessary workings. Find the 2 square roots of u. So you will get 2 square roots of u, giving your answer in the form of a plus bi, where the numbers a and b are real and exact. Okay, everyone getting it? With me following? Not a problem, right? So when you have this type of question, when you have to find the square root, students getting it? So we have u is equals to 8 minus 15i. Is everyone there with me getting it? So when you have the square root, if you have to find the square root, okay, you'll have to square and equate it to the original complex number a plus bi. Okay, everyone getting it? Follow this. Like they are saying, find the square roots of this. So what they do is basically we apply the square root and the a square plus b square plus 2ab plus those things. Okay, with me following, everyone? Clear? Guys getting it? So here we go. Follow how we are going to do it. We have to find the square root of u. Understand this thing. Basic understanding here is basically that this was in the square root. You have to find the square root of this. That is 8 minus 15i was in the square root. Is everyone there with me getting it? Clear? So it will be eventually, you will have to square it and it will become a plus bi. Give your answer in the form of a plus bi. So it will be a plus bi whole square. Okay, everyone getting it? Clear? When you remove this, okay? Guys following? So what I'm trying to explain here, that it will be comparing method 8 minus 15i is equals to a plus bi whole square. Let me know how many got it. Clear? Understood? Guys following? Understood? Not? Anyone there? Any questions? Let me know. If anyone is not getting it, I'll explain again. What I'm trying to explain here, when you have to find the square root, Mubashra there, when you have to find when you have to find the square roots of the complex number, the complex number is written with equals to a plus bi square. Okay, has everyone got this, or should I explain further? Guys, waiting for response. Is everyone there or
Yes.
not? Akbar, clear hai? Not getting it.
Sir, it's clear.
Anyone else who's not getting, let me know now. I'll explain again. Hello.
Sir, clear है.
Momin, or any questions? Anyone? Hamza, Josefa, any questions? Let me know. यहाँ तक clear है? फिर आगे solving
sir.
करनी है dear. Let me know. Got it ना? Clear है ये? Okay, so here we go. Start solving 8 minus 15i will be compared with, so we multiply, so it will be a square plus 2 times of abi plus b square I square. Okay, if you are struggling, follow here. A plus bi square will be a plus bi, so it will be a square plus 2 times of a times of bi, or you can say simply 2abi plus bi whole square. So b square I square. Everyone got this clear, guys? Let me know, understood? So eventually it will become a square and plus 2ab. I am doing all steps. Okay, b square, because we already know that I square will be changed to -1. Is everyone with me following? How do you find square roots? Is very
Yes, sir.
simple. Okay, square roots is not difficult. Just have to do the comparing. So 8 minus 15i is equals to a square. B square minus 1 will become minus b square plus 2 times of abi. Let me know how many got this. Understood? Clear, guys? Was sure everyone got it? No problem. Now, next important part. Because I'm saying again and again, sir, comparing. So what will you compare with what? Sir, the real part will be compared with the real part, and the imaginary part will be compared with the imaginary part. Everyone there? Guys, following? Clear? Hello? So it will be simple. Nobody's responding. 8 is the real part. So 8 will be compared with a square minus b square. Answer. The other thing is basically minus 15i. That will be compared with 2 times of abi. Understood?
Yes,
So
sir.
here we go. Minus 15 will be compared with 2 times of abi. Understood? Got this clear? That's it. You just have to start solving. You will get 2 complex numbers. Rest is all explanation and understanding of basic things. Okay, everyone with me following? Guys, I need response. This is very important. There's 3 marks, 5 free marks, but a lot of working you'll have to do. Vaishya, got it? Square roots.
Yes, sir. Understood.
You can say that we have done 20-30% of the complex number only. We have to do more as well in the next class. So make sure just follow carefully. Okay. So always remember, you have to solve this simultaneously, but you can't make the subject from the square value. So you'll have to make, you will have to, like, there is no other option. Make the subject from here. What you want to make subject? Josefa, you tell me, A or B? Momin और कोई बता दे. A subject बनाना है, B subject बनाना है.
A.
A subject बनाना है तो minus 15i divided by 2 times of bi is equals to A. Everyone getting it? 2 times of b times of I did it there. And A will be equals to how much? Minus 15 over 2 b. Okay, A is how much? I and I cancel out. A is basically minus 15 times of 2b. Everyone got it? Clear? Guys, hello, got it?
Yes,
A is
sir.
minus 15 over 2b. This is the subject. Mubashra, got it? Anyone? Clear? I and I cancels out.
Yes, sir.
And A is equal to minus 15 over 2b. Now what you do when you make the subject from simultaneous equations from the P1, everyone have done those topic, right? It will be, sir, instead of a square, you are going to put minus 15 over 2b whole square minus b square. So this will become a disguised quadratic, which is the power will change. Okay, everyone there with me? So 8 is equals to, come on quickly, 15 square is, come on guys, first time, come on, we have to finish, 225 over 4b square, 225 over 4b square minus the b square. Understood? Clear? No
Yes,
problem,
sir.
no doubt, right? Then you take the LCM, simplify and solve. Make sure no mistakes. Minus 15 square is 225, 2 square is 4, and b square is b. Okay. So eventually, if we make the equations, it will be simple. That is, 1 is there, 4b. So it will be, sir, 225 minus 4b square, 4b power 4, and 8 4s are 32b power square. See if everyone got it. Direct simplification. Anyone who didn't get this, Josefa, anyone who didn't get this step, follow this. It's basically 1 multiplied by 4b square. Okay, understood? taking the LCM. Everyone getting it 4b square LCM and then taking that cross multiplying. Everyone got this, guys, clear? So final equation will be
sir.
4b square plus 32b square minus 225 is equals to 0. Is everyone got this clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Let me know any doubts. Talk to me now. Anyone? Akbar, Mominor? Bole bole.
4b squared नहीं होगा.
Sorry, 4b power 4, my bad. Yep. Take a 4b power 4. So this will be the disguised quadratic. So you will have to apply quadratic formula, but based on the other technique, okay? Gubashra, got it, everyone? Any questions, anyone? Let me know now. Guys, following? So we can say that, let's say that b square we are substituting for t. So if b square is t, so it will be 4. Is everyone there? It will be 4t square because you can't solve this directly, plus 32t minus 225. So you will get the two values, okay? So let me know what the values are coming. You can do a quadratic formula or you can do in the calculator as well. 4 times of 225 is 900 and 932 to bring, if I do middle term breaking factorization, 925, no, 900 into 10. No. We have to think, give me the values from the quadratic formula, anyone? Quickly, guys. Come on, guys. Hello, everyone.
9/2 and negative 25/2.
Very good. You have checked it right. I'm relying on the values. Yes, I am getting. Yep. Can you hear me, everyone? Hello? Someone left.
Yes, sir.
Can you please text that the class is still going on?
Hello?
Yep. Can you hear me? Everyone hear me, right? Hello?
Ji.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Sorry, the connection disrupted. What I'm saying is just text on the group that the class is still going on. Okay. So I got one answer as 9/2. What's the other answer? Is everyone there at the same page, right?
Negative
Negative
25/2.
Yeah, negative 12.5. Okay. So t is equals to 9/2 or negative 12.5. So now what you are going to do, sir, we are going to plug these values of t in the b square and see if we are getting the correct answers or not. Here we go. It will be b square is equals to the t. So t 9/2 and b square is equals to negative. So this one will not be possible. Getting it? Clear, understood? So this one will be not possible, this answer. And this one will be b is equals to square root of b square, square root on this. So it will be plus minus 3 over square root 2. Okay. So b value will be, because of the, so b values comes out plus minus 3 square root 3 over square root 2. Everyone with me following, guys? Once you got the b value, you can easily get the a value. Students getting it? So a value will be minus 15 times of, everyone following with me, right? No questions, no problem, right? Akbar, Momin, or clear? It will be 3 divided by square root 2 one time with the plus. Guys following? It should be minus 15 over divided by 6 over minus 15 divided by 6 over square root 2. It will be minus 15 square root 2 divided by 6, which will be minus 5. 3 5s are 15 and 3 2s are 6. So minus 5 over square root 2 is one value of a, and the other value of a will be plus minus. When you do the minus, it will be plus minus both of them. Okay. Getting it? Plus minus 5 over plus minus 5 over 2 square root 2. Is this clear? Got it? Any problem? Guys, can you hear me? Is my mic on? Everyone can hear me? Can I get response? I'm just finishing off, like finishing. solving, completing the question and finishing. Everyone got this? Hello, Claire?
Yes, sir.
Is everyone there with me? Okay, so here we go. How will you give the answer? A and B values are there. They were saying that find the two square roots. So the square roots are in the form of A plus BI. They were asking us to give the answer in the form of A plus BI. So the two answers will be, one answer will be minus, if you are giving the first 5 over 5 square root 2 over 2 is the A value. If you are giving a positive answer, it means that the B value is negative. So minus 3 over square root 2. Understood? One of your answers is this. Guys, got it? Hello? One root is this. And the other root will be, when you are giving the next answer, minus 5 square root 2 over 2 plus 3 over square root 2 over I. Understood? Got this clear? No problem. Should not be an issue, right? Guys, got it? Hello? Everyone, any problems? Let me know. This is the answers. Akbar got it? Mominur? Hamza? Vashra
Yes,
got
sir.
this?
Got it.
Okay. These are the two square roots and these are the answers that you will get for 5 marks. Hope everyone got this. Everyone is clear. And this is how you will do it. Okay. Make sure to take a screenshot of this as well. Okay. Okay. Here you go. Everyone can quickly take a screenshot and share it on the group as well. Okay. Got it? Sure. No problem, right? Mominur, clear?
Clear, sir.
So we'll continue from here. Okay. Mubashra got this? Mubashra, not a problem, right? Mubashra, up till now, clear everything?
Yeah.
Mubashra, can you hear me?
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
okay. So we'll continue from here. Make sure revise and do practice. Okay. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Anyone taking a screenshot? Please share it on the group as well of this picture. Come on quickly. Akbar, can you do?
Yes, sir.
Done quickly. Done. You have taken a screenshot, right? Everyone, please make sure,
Yes.
try to finish up till the square roots. Okay. So we have done, if we look at it, if we summarize the class, we have done basically these things. We have done introduction to complex numbers, complex conjugation, division, square roots of a complex number as well. We'll start from the complex roots of polynomials and do Argand diagrams, the diagrams and understanding of that as well. Okay, everyone, got it clear? Maybe total 3 to 4 classes and we'll finish this chapter as well. Okay, thank you.